Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are two forms of technology that have been gaining a lot of attention in recent years. Both technologies are used to create immersive experiences, but they are different in how they are used and the type of experiences they provide. AR is a technology that enhances the real world with digital information. This can be done through the use of a smartphone or tablet camera to display digital information on top of the physical world, or through the use of specialized headsets that overlay digital information on the user's field of vision. Some examples of AR applications include Pokémon Go, which overlaid digital creatures on the real world, and Snapchat's filters, which add digital effects to a person's face in real time. On the other hand, VR completely immerses the user in a digital world. This is done through the use of specialized headsets that cover the user's eyes and ears, blocking out the real world and replacing it with a digital one. Some examples of VR applications include video games, where the player can move around and interact with a digital environment, and simulations for training and education, where the user can practice procedures in a safe and controlled environment. Both AR and VR have the potential to change the way we live and work. AR can be used to enhance the way we interact with the real world, for example by providing information about buildings, products, or landmarks, while VR can be used to provide a sense of presence in a digital world. This can have implications for education, training, entertainment, and beyond. In recent years, with the development of new technology, the lines between AR and VR are becoming blurred and more advanced technologies such as mixed reality, MR, is emerging. It combines the best of both worlds to bring digital objects and characters into the real world, allowing users to interact with them, giving more realistic experience. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more and more uses for AR and VR in our everyday lives. From gaming and entertainment to education and medicine, the possibilities are endless, and it will be exciting to see how these technologies continue to shape our world in the years to come.